Barbados Prime Minister Mia Mottley has assured the people of Barbados that they are not alone in the fight against COVID-19. Prime Minister Mottley, who recently underwent surgery, pleaded with the citizens to adhere to the strict guidelines put in place by the Barbadian government on Friday. The Barbados government made the decision to implement a 24-hour curfew as of Friday.
What you do affects not just your household but everyone else around you, and vice versa. And I would like us, please, to recognize that the basic things that we need to remember: washing our hands, not touching our face, the social distance.
Over in St. Martin, Prime Minister Sylvia Jacobs responded to rumors that the country would be having a total shutdown in the fight against COVID-19. In a public briefing on COVID-19, she confirmed that the government was in fact discussing a shutdown of the island.
Yes, finally. All who have been begging for it, it is coming. Due to the increasing trend of fatalities, as was heard by Ava just a few minutes ago, we are now up to 4. 2 more persons died today, and that is indeed troubling to all concerned. One of the reasons being that persons are not adhering to the cry to stay at home, the voluntary cry. Then even when we moved to the curfew, there were persons defying that.
And the number of cases are continuing to rise in Jamaica. With over 50 confirmed cases, the country is now making moves to roll out mobile testing units. This is all part of their health ministry's drive to ramp up testing for COVID-19. Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness urged his citizens to act responsibly to keep their curve flat. He said persons who have travelled and are required to be in quarantine at home and have not done so will be taken into state quarantine facilities and will also be charged.
We will remind all persons that the government already has a list of all persons who entered the island, that is the aircraft manifest. Those who have not yet reported to the Ministry of Health and Wellness will be put on a watch list to be used by PICA to stop any attempted travel, and for PICA to also notify the security force and the health authorities to charge them and put them in state quarantine.
Prime Minister Holness said Jamaica will extend its border closures for a further 14 days, following which a review will be done. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TTT News.